This is the video tutorial that will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware called BootEfficient. BootEfficient is the adware from the adload family. This BootEfficient adware, once installed, starts to show a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. So in case this BootEfficient was installed into your system, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of it immediately. Furthermore, it may cause a lot of unwanted browser redirections to random websites. So if this BootEfficient was installed, you need to right click on it and move it to the trash. Finally, my recommendation is that you additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the website combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the program, and then start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.